Hello, welcome back. Here we're going to talk about the date time object or date time data type. Let's type it here, the date slash time data type. So this is simply a collection of dates or time, all right, in your data set. For an example would be today's date. Today is 1st 28th 2024. So here is today's date. So this is automatically formatted. So I want you to pay attention to something. Look at this part, the number section of my Excel column or ribbon. You would see that this had automatically converted this to a date object or a date data type. When I select this is showing as general. When I select this is showing as general. I select this general. But immediately I enter the dates in this cell D2, Excel automatically could identify this as a date object. So this is a date data type, right? So we could type something like, let me just try and reorder this, okay? Let me put 2024 slash 28 slash 01. That is the year, the day, and the month. Let's see what happens. Oh, Excel could not recognize this as a date object or as a date data type. The reason is because when I look at my format, my date format, it's coming in this form. It comes in the form of the day, the month, day, and year. Now, because I have reordered it, so Excel couldn't identify it. Now, this means that when you're working with data sets in maybe Power BI or Excel, you have to take note of the date format your computer is set in, because that will largely depend on, or that will largely determine how to manipulate your date data type when you begin with your kind of data manipulation, transformation, and cleaning. Please take note, we have something called date data type or date objects. Now we could have the dates, the day or the year, month, year, and time. Let's try to see if we can impute that. Let me have this as 1/28, 1/28, today's date slash 2024, and then I'll put column, let's say 11:46 a.m. Oh, was it able to identify this as, nope, it doesn't identify. Okay, let me remove the column here. Let's remove this full column here and see what happens. All right, so Excel could identify this as a custom data, which means, oh, it's seeing this as not just any kind of data, but this is a date data type. So it has also identified it as date, although it's showing custom here, right? But when you look at the formula bar, you see that it has correctly identified as 1/28/2024, 11:46 a.m. So which shows that this is actually a date data type. All right, so this is a data type, and whenever you're working with a date data type, please ensure that you format it well as date data type. I'll show you how to do that formatting when we get to Power Query in Excel or Power BI. Thank you for watching this. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.